Hey, Dan Gouveia here from the Gouveia Real Estate Team, and I'm here at my new listing at 13 O'Connor Street in East Taunton, Massachusetts. We're located minutes from Massasoit State Park. This is a 4-bedroom hip roof colonial. Many updates over the years have included the vinyl siding, vinyl windows, roof. Most recent updates is a new kitchen, flooring, appliances, bath. We have a great private backyard. So let's come take a look inside. Thank you for taking the tour with me today. Please share this video with anyone you know that might be in the market for a new home. If you have any questions, feel free to call or text me, 774-300-0431, or you can drop a comment below. Dan Gouveia with the Gouveia Real Estate.